we got our first little old buck coming into the backyard. He's just a little 3-pointer back there. But it's great we finally get to see one of those too. We know they're back there, but all these little fawns we got running around, there gotta be some bucks in there somewhere. Hoping he'll come on up here so I can get a little bit better video of him, but that's him right there.
He come back?
Yeah. Hopefully he'll step on up around here where we get a good look at him. That little doe right there run him off a minute ago. She didn't want him up there near that feed block.